Hello, TFO viewers. I took a trip over the weekend to the Cape Cod Canal. I mean, I did pretty good. I would say I did more than pretty good. I had a blast at the canal. Usually I take my bag full with lures. I got pencil poppers, all kind of lures, like Seville, split lures. I mean, you can imagine SP minnows, everything, bottlenecks. But this time I fish early in the morning with my friends. My friend actually just came from from Montauk, so he'd never been in the Cape Cod. So I showed him the place a little bit. And this is the following lures that I actually use. These lures, like I said in my other videos, is made by this company, all Gags. I seen these popular in Cape Cod. A lot of people they use the Seville jigs also, but I mean, I figured let me try these lures. I bought it past 2 times. I didn't have as much luck, but this weekend I tried this lure. I mean, I caught it myself. Probably I would say maybe around 40-45 striped bass in one day. I mean, I'm not lying to one day, and the following day I probably caught like 10, maybe 12 striped bass. The color that it works is this mackerel color. Look, as you can see in the video, this is 4 ounce. Yeah, and this one works pretty good. This is made by Seville. The white one, for some reason, I would say some striped bass, so they're a little picky about the white one, but I mean, it worked for me. And the 5 ounces also, if you want to get faster to the bottom, you can just cast it, and this thing will go fast. Like in 30 seconds, it will be down to the bottom. You can rig your own way. You can buy those jig heads and just rig it yourself just by the tails. I mean, a little bit cheaper if you do it this way, but you can buy it as a complete set like this, which is almost $14, $13.75 to be exact. In some other stores they sell a little more. Some other stores may sell a little less. It depends just who you buy it from. But I mean, if you're catching big striped bass, these lures will get ripped apart. Maybe like the 4th or 5th striped bass will rip apart. I probably lost like 10, 12 tails. I had a good thing I had a replacement tails. When you buy the package, always comes with a replacement tail, so you can just take the old one out and put the new one in. Just make sure you glue it before you go fishing. Just pull it back a little bit, put a little dip of crazy glue, and just make sure you put it back together, glue it. Which I know the ways, every time you catch a fish or you cast it in the current, this thing is just gonna come apart, and really you don't want that to happen when you're fishing for big fish. And you only have a chance maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, sometimes an hour to catch big striped bass. If you're not there in the right time or right moment, or when the fish are passing, that's it, you will never catch a fish. So this is the main lures that worked for me over the weekend. And this bucktail, I caught a big one with this one. This one the same thing. And these jigs, I tried it, they didn't work. This little, what's this, rubber shot. I mean, this thing worked perfect also. This one I tried, they didn't want to go after this lure, so I want to put them on the side. So this was my main lure. As you can see, it was 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 lures that I used over the weekend, and I lost, like I said, probably like 10, 12, maybe 15 tails. And I replaced them. I was crazy gluing right there, fast as I can, cast them back in the water so I can catch more fish. All right, you're gonna see the results at the end. I'm gonna put a video, probably 12-13 minutes video, so you guys can enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys like this video, so I can make more videos in the future for you guys. Stay safe and fish on. This is second cow of the night. It's a big one, eh? Big mamaluga. Nice. How do you like Cape Cod?
I love this place, Benny. This is my first time here, and maybe it's gonna be here forever, man.
Maybe you're gonna move over here.
Yeah, I gotta move in here, man.
Okay, good job. Fish on.
Fish on.
Ahí es que en la orilla se arranca y se rompe. Alright. Wow, that's a big one. That's good. Hold on a second.
¿Lo regresamos o también va para la cazuela?
Asegúrate por si acaso. Sí. Wow, that's nice. Wow.
It's another one.
That's another
Sorry fish. No como los porgies de
Ay, ay.
Carlitos.
Whoa, nice. How big is that? Like, it's gotta be like
It is
45.
like 45.
Nice. You see? Champion en Cape Cod Duty. A la foto, la foto. Yeah.
Miren, a eso se viene aquí.
Agarrar, en serio. Veo que arrímalo nomás, arrímalo a la orilla. Arrímalo y agárralo de la galla. Pero se te escapa ahí en la orilla, se te escapa. Agarra la jeta de la galla. Wow, bring it up.
A eso se viene aquí a Cape Cod. No a jugar.
Dale, corre.
No a jugar. No a jugar.
Oh, look.
Es lo de 30.
Vamos, yo. Vamos, yo, no te dejes. Demuestra a los amigos.
Para que vean, todavía sobra galletas.
Oh, amigo.
¿Y cuántos llevo? 4. ¿Y ustedes?
4-0.
Sí.
Ey, tú eres el invitado.
No.
El invitado. ¿Cómo dice el de?
Sure. Man, I got so many already. I'm so tired. Amigo, agárramelo, papi. I gotta get help. All right, there's a fish right here. 1 second. I'm gonna release this. Oh, look at the size. I mean, this is not a. It's probably like 38, 39. But it's chubby. Fish it. Man. Whoa, this is a nice look. All right, sorry, I belly flip. Morning, man. This guy just traveled like 10 hours to get to this place. He didn't sleep like for 3 days. He said, man. You see, it feels good. Look, this is better than drinking coffee, I think. Man, this is better than I would say anything else. I don't want to say it, but beautiful, nice cow. Beautiful morning in Cape Cod.
Tírale, tira, ahí está. Tírale un poquito cruzado así. Sí, un poquito cruzado, tira. Pichón. Así. Pichón. Levanta arriba, levanta para el video las cosas. Buenas trajiste tus botas, ¿eh?
Ya.
Pichón. Nice. Good job.
Está bueno, ¿ah?
Muy grosso.
Muy grande.
Mucha grasa. Sí. Va a querer su corte también. Oh, este está más grande. This is a bigger one.
¿Dónde está?
Así yo creo que voy a campeonar con esto, mira. ¡Ere!
Ok, ese no es mío. Saque por ahí el mío, vení.
Ok, toma. Ah, hey, don't let me. Dámelo, papá. Oh, nice. Another cow. Another cow in Cape Cod.
2 en 1, vení, por ahí también saque. Ahí vení. Hola, vení. Dos amigos.
Hey, you got two.
Para la foto, 2 en 1. 2 en 1, pichón.
2 por 1.
Yes. Sean, don't cast it, please. Eddie.
Pichón, pero ¿qué quieres? Pichón.
Por abajo, por encima. Crucemos.
Yo lo paro, yo sabe que. ¡Ah! ¡Vení!
Tomo.
¡Oh, shit! ¡Vení!
Sean.
¡Muévase, vení!
Nice one, eh? Hey, this one they call it Cape Cod striped bass. Nice one.
Ahora sí, ahí está.
Come on, this is heavy, okay?
I can't even reach it. Yeah, 45. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna lift it up, okay? Let's see this one.
Aquí era patito.
Esta que nunca pesca, Eric, aquí va a sacar uno.
Yeah, it's a big one. Oh. Show for sure. Yeah. I got it with that one. Oh, look at my reel peeling. Ay, mama. Ah. Hey, that's gotta be at least, I would say, 45 inches. All right. Whew.